Inch's apple cider braised spice lamb tacos, perfect with your pals.
Whoa, juicy.
Oh, what's this at my door? It's only Inch's Cider with a cheeky little challenge. Chef up a dish with locally sourced ingredients from within 40 miles of my place. Wish I knew how to read a map. After many wrong turns, I arrived at Taylor's of Maltby Street, a lovely little shop tucked away in South London. A great spot for some fresh veggies, an absolute must for my lamb tacos. Let's get cooking. I'm toasting my whole spices to get their flavour out, then grinding them up to make a dry rub. Next, I'm rubbing the spices into my lamb shoulder with a little bit of olive oil, then popping it in the fridge to marinate for a few hours. Now I'm frying a few shallots and garlic cloves to get some colour before adding a whole can of Inch's apple cider made with apples sourced just 40 miles from their mill. Now I'm making a celeriac and apple remoulade. These local and seasonal veggies are great for a slaw. I then top them with a simple mustard-heavy vinaigrette to cut the richness of the lamb. Yum. To add a bit of vibrancy, I'm also making a salsa verde with my fresh ingredients from the market. After my lamb cooked for 4 hours, it was meltingly soft and shreddable. Time to assemble the tacos. Toasted flatbreads, remoulade, lamb, green sauce, and finally topped with pink onions. Just look at that. Crack open an Inch's Cider this summer and explore your own local gem, because we all know everything tastes better when it's sourced locally.